So I was gonna take a video, but I forgot. So I'll just walk you guys through. These come on the Ariens Edge already. The rest of these are not included in the basic mower. So I did get the Hitch kit from Ariens.com. It was on sale, so I paid around $55 for it. So you're gonna reuse these bolts. You basically take them out, and it kind of sucks, but the only way to get in there is in there. So you're gonna reuse these bolts, but the nuts, you're actually gonna replace the nuts with the ones that come in the kit. Reason is because the ones that come in the kit are actually lock nuts. So you're gonna get 2 bolts in the kit, 1, 2, and you're gonna get 4 nuts. It's 1, 2, 3, and 4 lock nuts. Believe it or not, these are actually harder to put on than this middle one. You can put an open end box wrench in there and do what you gotta do, but here it's a little weird because it gets in the way. I hope you guys can see that. But it's really hard to actually get it with a socket and an extension. So I used an open end wrench, ran it on the inside of the channel, and then used a socket to tighten it up. It seems pretty strong. I was actually gonna buy a cheap version of this and drill it on, decided to spend the extra money, and I was actually surprised and happy that I did. It is pretty heavy gauge, fits like a glove, to be honest with you guys. I probably should have cleaned off the dust a little bit, but it's just a pull-out dethatcher. I do want to show you guys, my battery died, but this is coming to about, let's see here. I usually use these with 2 hands, but it's about a little under 5 millimeters. So if you convert that over, this is about 6 gauge steel. So you're looking at a 6 gauge steel thick Hitch, powder coated, pretty strong bolts, and lock nuts. So again, you're gonna get 2 bolts, 1 and 2, and you're gonna get 4 lock nuts. You're gonna reuse the bolts that came on the unit, and that's it. It took me about 10 minutes to do. I saw some people leaving the review saying that it was really hard to do. I found it pretty simple. I enjoy it, so I didn't mind. Maybe if you're not handy, you could probably find it a little harder. That's it. Good luck.